Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Paramilitary 2 here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty iconic knife, guys. It doesn't probably need any introduction. It's very, very famous and very, very popular. There are many variants for this guy, many options for the colors of the handle, for the steel employed. You can just go nuts with this guy over here. Overall length is going to be around 8.3 inches with a handle measuring 4.9 inches. In this case, we have a black G10, we have a CPM S30V steel with a DLC coated blade, 3-inch, a little bit over 3-inch long. The sound this guy makes, it's the classic clack from your Spyderco. It's beautiful. The action is really good. Actually, you can Spidey flick, of course, thumb flick, obviously. Open it with 2 hands, and it's not gonna disappoint you. The weight in the pocket is gonna be 3.7 ounces. Fit and finish overall is pretty good. It's a smooth knife. It runs on a washer, and it has a nice compression lock right over here in the back. So when as soon as you disengage the lock, the blade is gonna fall shut, and it's not gonna be in your fingers are not gonna be in the cutting path right over here. They're gonna be in the back. So really, really nice overall knife. But hey, if you wanna know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.